GMOs by MJF. The only way to keep up with the planet's human population is to be able to produce fast enough to keep them alive. There are about 7.4 billion people on this earth currently, and they all need to be supported. The first step to supporting human life is food, and we need a lot of food. To make sure we have enough food to feed everyone, we need all the help we can get. And GMOs, genetically modified organisms, are the answer. GMOs help us grow food faster and produce a lot more of it. If we were to lose GMOs, the world would starve because of the sheer amount of people on this world. GMOs are the tools we need to keep the world flourishing. GMOs not only help us with food, but with clothing, luxuries, and money. Farmers are some of the most important people in the world because they help us keep us being fed. It's hard for them to even get the chance to farm for us, though, since buying land and seeds can be so expensive. For example, in Illinois, to buy an acre costs about $1,558, which isn't that much at first. But when you're a farmer and you're buying 100 acres of land, then it's a very large investment. The best way to cheapen their expenses is to buy seeds that can help them save more money. Since these seeds grow more and more produce, they can sell more, which allows the farmers to afford better equipment. It is unethical not to allow them to buy GMO seeds because they need it to survive. This graph shows Mexico before they started using GMOs in the 1950s, and when they did start using it in the 60s, compared to Pakistan, who don't use GMOs since the 1950s or the 1960s. As you can see, Mexico grew more than Pakistan in kilograms or hectares. In 1962 to 1963, the percent change in Mexico was about 8.11%, while in Pakistan, the percent change was only 3.64%. GMOs are not just something we eat, but they are used to produce clothing. A species of cotton, called BT cotton, has GMOs that not only make it grow faster, but also makes the plant grow more cotton, increasing the yields in cotton farms. Businesses that produce clothing would close down because of a large loss in cotton that would occur if we didn't have GMOs. That, of course, would affect the public. Prices for clothing would cost a lot more, meaning people would be subjected to poverty. So you can definitely see the ripple effects of what can happen if farmers didn't use GMOs. Corn is in absolutely everything, and it recently even made its way into plastic. Now, a large amount of corn is in the products you buy. Corn plastic is most likely going to be the future because of all the pros to using it. It generated 68% less greenhouse gas emissions. It's safer than other plastics because it has zero chance of explosion, unlike other plastics, and it's competitively cheaper than other plastics, etc. Since corn is so popular in products we buy, farmers are mass producing it like the world depends on it. Now the world does depend on it. Meaning that we depend on GMOs just the same. The other side believes that if we use GMOs, it could push toward a monoculture of food, which could lead to a bacteria or fungus destroying our food system. This is actually possible, but it wouldn't be a problem. If this were to happen, we could easily start a new food culture, and we in fact have plenty of backup plans. One, for example, is that we already have backup plants for certain foods like bananas. Bananas are pretty well known by many, and it's all the same banana. The banana we eat today is called the Cavendish. Before the Cavendish, we had an entirely different banana called the Gros Michel. The Gros Michel was a banana of choice in the 1950s until it was wiped out by a fungus, but we soon found a new banana to replace it, all because of GMOs. In conclusion, you can easily tell why GMOs are better. It's good for us in almost every way in every product we use. Thank you for your time.